Welcome. This is your boy Aries Ambition, and we're back again with another video on the Bittoken app. Alright, guys, the wait is finally over. Alright, migration is finally complete. If you've watched my previous video, you will see that I was talking about the migration phase and all the ins and outs and what to expect. Alright, and if you didn't watch the previous video, pause this video, go back to my previous videos and watch the video that I dropped. It talks about everything from A to Z. Alright, so here we are. Migration phase finally arrived. So what do they say here? Download the new Bittoken app and continue with the same login credentials. Note, downloading the APK and using the new Bittoken app means you have agreed to test this new app and report any bugs detected to our support team. Google Play Store version will be released soon after this testing phase, followed by Apple's App Store version. Welcome back. Happy Bittoken mining. Alright guys, so the wait is finally over. So this is my first time actually getting the APK. I haven't used the new app yet, so I want to do this with all of you. So I want to show you how to log into your Bittoken app. Alright, basically, but then this is the new app. So let's dive into it. So I'm just gonna click here on the yellow button because I can't wait. Alright, so the installation is done. So let's see what the new app has for us, guys. I won't even lie to you, this app looks beautiful, and voila. So as you can see, guys, this is our new home. This is our new home, guys. So alright, I love the colors. As I said, this app looks scalable. 10 out of 10 to management. Alright, so let's log into this app. I'm gonna enter my email address there, and then you just gotta solve the math equation. So 9 times 1, put that in, and then you log in. So as you can see here, we got two options. You can either log in using your Telegram OTP, or you can log in using your Google account. So I'm gonna use the Telegram OTP on this one. Failed to send OTP to Telegram. Alright, that's weird. That's weird. Okay, let's do this one. 4. Okay, seems like the Telegram ain't working, so let's do the sign up with the Google account. Alright, let's see if I can sign up with the Google account. Okay, Google account went through. So this is my account, guys, and this is our new home. So as you can see, my bot miner has come to an end. Alright, so it's asking to claim, so I can start mining on the next session. Alright, so let's just do a walkthrough. I don't want to watch any videos, I don't want to do anything. I just want to show you guys how the new app looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna click on team right here. Let's see, so that's my referral code up there. Currently have 208 team members. Alright, alright guys, this looks beautiful, I won't even lie. So everything looks like it's still kind of similar to the old app. They just changed the colors and everything. Alright, so let's click on earn. Alright, earn more reward points by completing these simple tasks. So basically, guys, everything is here, guys. So available tasks, YouTube, subscribe to CTC Content Creators Hub. Alright, 2 available tasks has been loaded. Alright, so I see they've added some new tasks here. Finally. Alright, so let's see what's at the view yard, because view yard always has like a lot of reward points to give away. So So these are the tasks basically, guys. So once you get into the app, you just click on one of these few options there, and then see what's available, and then if you do find something, you complete the task. Simple as that. I've already done my specials, so probably that's why it's empty here, but it's pretty much straightforward, guys. It's pretty much straightforward. So I see there are a few bugs because it's taking a bit of time for the task to load. All right, so let's see this one. So remember what they said in the message. They said that there's gonna be a few bugs in the system. All right, so yeah, so click the start task button below and carefully watch the unveiling video of the CTC Content Creator Hub by secret code question. According to the video, which country is CTC Content Creator Hub located in? So I'm gonna give you all this answer. The answer is Dubai in capital letters. All right, so after watching the video, make sure you watch the video from start to end, and then you come back here and then you enter the secret code. All right, so yeah, I don't want to do that because I know this video is probably like an hour long, but then that's how you earn. All right, let's see how the wallet section looks like. Wow, everything looks beautiful, guys. Look at those colors. This app looks wonderful. See what I'm saying? User friendly, everything is straightforward. So let's see here. Currently have 138 BTTs. All right, so basically I can stake those. All right, I can stake those if I want to, because I've done my KYC. All right, so let's see here, what else do we have? Let's see if my staked BTTs are still intact. So I currently have 6 active staked BTTs, and that's a total of 4,597 staked BTTs. All right, for a period of 24 months. I always go for 24 months because 24 months gives you 200% return, and that's a lot of money. All right, guys, so I think tomorrow I'll be doing like a proper video for you guys explaining everything. All right, since it's a new app, probably some people are not familiar with it yet, so I'll be talking about everything. So in the comment section, guys, just leave a comment about any topic that you probably want me to address about the Bittoken app, because this is basically a money-making machine right in your pocket, guys, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. You can be out there, you can be home, you can be in an airplane, you can even be in a toilet, guys. I mean, you can do it everywhere. All you need is your phone and internet connection. All right, so as you can see, our white paper is right there. This is where you contact the support team, and these are more videos for you to watch. All right, so mine won't show as of right now because I have to claim this guy here. All right, so I don't want to make the video too long for you guys. Let's see if my past withdrawals will show, because they said that any transaction histories won't be transferred to the new app. All right, so let's just see if my withdrawal history will show, and as you can see, no withdrawal history. All right, but then I have made a withdrawal before, and that was on the previous app. It was about 14 USDT, if I'm not mistaken. All right, So if you guys also want me to make a video showing you of the withdrawal that I did, put it down there in the comment section. I'll do a video on that. I have all the legit proof. I can send or I can share the transaction ID with you guys, no problem. So guys, I won't even lie to you, this is a legit app. If you're looking to make money without investing a dime, get yourself the Bittoken app. Become part of the CTC ecosystem, guys. It's really simple. Together we can do this, all right? The more people join the platform, the more robust we become, all right? The bigger we are, the more noise we can make. And once we are on the radar, there's no turning back, all right? So yeah guys, I think I'm gonna close the video and keep it short. Basically this is the Bittoken app. Yeah, stay connected for more updates to come. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.